Hello friends, welcome to our channel Kitchen Gardening with me. Today we will see how to make trellis in a simple village style. For this, a 6 by 3 feet net has been taken. It is tied to 4 small stakes just for marking. Now let's dig holes in place of small stakes. The holes should be about 1 foot deep so that the pole has ground support. We are using wooden poles which are readily available to us. For more support, put some stones in the hole. Then the stones should be crushed with the help of a tool so that the pole will be fixed in the ground. Use the same procedure for the rest of the pole. We only invested money in the net. Branches of old trees were readily available which are used as poles. Nylon net price is around Rs 120 on internet. The poles should stand firmly. Then tie the corners of the net to the 4 poles. Nowadays we use nylon net. Before that we used to make natural net from coconut leaves, bamboos, etc. And they are easily biodegradable unlike nylon nets. The net would not fall loose, for this it had to be supported in the middle. Here coconut leaf stick is used as the support. To reach the net, plants need support. Let's use some long sticks again. Those sticks should be tied to the side of the net. Now our work is done. Trellis completed. If you like the video, then hit the like button and share the video with your friends. And if you are new to the channel, be sure to hit the subscribe button. That's all for today. I hope you enjoy it. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.